All right, we've landed on our Google Keep landing page, and I just want to point out a few things to you here, and then we'll get into how to create a note. Over here on the top left, you're going to see this menu bar. If you click this, it just makes that left-hand menu disappear, and if you want to bring it back, you just click it again. I prefer to see my menu, but if you do not want to see it and you just want to see your notes, you can just go ahead and hide it that way. Search, this would be used if, kind of think of it like in Drive, if you've created a lot of notes and you're looking for specific ones, maybe for homework assignments or reminders that you are really needing to look at. So because I don't have anything yet, the search bar really doesn't do me any good. This is just a refresh screen. They've added that one there if you need to refresh your notes, just the look of them. This one will change how you view your notes. This would be list view. This would be a grid view. And again, I don't have any notes yet, so not much to see there. This, you should recognize that. That's the waffle, and you can access your other Google apps from here. This would be any notifications from Google, any new updates, that kind of thing. That's your account icon. And this is something, if you don't have this on your screen, that probably means that you need to add it, and you can do that from the Chrome Web Store. This is called the G Suite Training, and it's just a real simple, I think it's an extension that you have to have for this to show up. But this is pretty cool. Depending on which app you are using, whether you're using Docs or Spreadsheet or Google Presentation or Slides, whatever they call that now, it will change the training videos available. So since I'm in Google Keep, when I click that, it's going to bring up Google Keep tutorials. These are actually tutorials that take you through how to use some of the features in that particular app. So if I was in Google Document and I clicked that icon, then the tutorials I would see here would all have to do with Google Document. So that's a nice little feature. If you have a question, you can type it in here and hopefully a tutorial would come up to address that. So please don't forget that that's there. That's actually really, really helpful. On the left-hand side, these are all of the little tools that you'll use in Google Keep. We're just going to take these one at a time. We're going to start with actually taking a note, and this is how you do it. Let's say I needed a reminder to do some homework. Let's say it's for math. I'll say math assignment for Tuesday, September, I think it's going to be the 19th or 20th. I don't remember which one Tuesday is. Let's pretend it's the 20th. And let's say I have to do number 15 to 30. Okay, so I've taken that. I think I just pressed enter to make it show up. So think of this as a sticky note, like a virtual post-it note for you. And you've got some options along here that we'll get into in just a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and make another note just to get a few of them on here. Let's say I've got a language arts assignment. Maybe it's for Friday, September, let's see if that's 20, 21, 22, let's say 23, I don't know, I'm just guessing. And I have to write an essay. All right, now I'm just going to click out of that, and it's going to post it. So right now, you can see I've got a couple of, we'll call them sticky notes. If I don't want them that way, I can do that. Actually, I kind of like that. Those look more like sticky notes, so list view. Oh, I think if I click that, it goes back to list view. That's right. If I click it, it goes back to grid view. So we're going to leave it like this. Anyway, so that is how you can start by making your little sticky notes.